has to do with roles and responsibilities, and the roles in software development that we've known and loved for 50 years. The product people, the engineers, the user experience people, the marketeers, et cetera. And I've always been struggling with this notion that all of that gets flattened or hybridized, or there's this constant debate going on that I see through my LinkedIn echo chamber around, it's the death of the designer, or it's the death of the developer, or it's the death of software. And I struggle a lot with that, because why not flip it a little bit and say, well, what about the life of all of this stuff? Like, could we make them better? Could we make them more powerful, these people that know how to build software? So coincidentally, that's what I'm trying to do with my company, ReWeaver AI. I have to throw the AI in there so people pay attention to me. But really, it's about trying to, instead of replace the skills or flatten the skills or claim that we're going to build software completely differently, look at how we build software and augment those skills with AI. The notion behind the analogy of ReWeaver is that I believe that software that's coming out of LLMs today is coming fast, but it's also coming out kind of broken. And we need to govern it and put policies on it and clean it and understand it. We can't just blindly accept it. So reweaving is the notion from the Industrial Revolution, where the weavers of the time, the craftspeople, the software people, the people that know how to build software, suddenly were replaced by something called the power loom, AI. And what happened was everybody was really excited. All the factory owners said, oh, we can fire everybody now. We can just let this thing run and build the textiles. And what happened inevitably was all of the textiles shredded because it was moving too fast. I mean, it's incredible, this metaphor, this analogy that's starting to surface for me. That's the name of the company. I want to empower the people that know how to build software with skills that are empowered through AI.